Hello and welcome to another episode of Easton Adventures. This is the third part in a series of me getting to fish on St. Simon's Island for a trip we had. And we're getting to fish right by Fort Frederica National Monument. My cousin had a house in the dock right on the river there. Take a look and see what we caught.
I already caught a catfish. It was like 2 minutes. Not the species we'd want to catch, but we'll take it.
Why do you not want to catch catfish?
They're just kind of more annoying. You'd rather catch a trout.
Uncle Tom say the catfish
nice
of the ocean
twofer.
was?
I mean, it's trash fish. This is not a gaff topsail catfish, which is what we were catching in Clearwater. So it's a little bit different. So, but I mean, still not something.
Well,
His whiskers.
so it was on shrimp?
Yep. Okay. Dump him back. I was having trouble with this last time because I have a line that's busted in it. A line that's busted and it's making it like it'll bunch up every now and then. One thing I don't know is if there's gonna be like if there's a oyster bed or something, I'll be in trouble. Oh yeah. Got something. What is it? Oh, it's a sheep's head. Look at that. Caught a sheep's head in a cast net. That's insane. Look at that.
We can try and get a fiddler crab
What's that for?
for this thing.
Oh, to fish for them?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's a good one. I think they have to be like 12 inches or something. I'm not attempting to keep that and eat a 7-inch sheep's head, but that's pretty cool. See the teeth in it? They have like
But
human teeth.
We can try and get a fiddler
Ugly
crab tied
teeth.
onto the. I've been trying. I want
Put
to
it
do
on
that.
back.
Like tie on. Because it,
Daddy, did the shrimp side this time?
The shrimp side this time. Gotcha. I'm gonna come right out here so I can get over more towards that pylon. Maybe I just missed the school of shrimp. Watch out. That's a good throw. Oh. Oh, I got something big. I got a big mullet.
oh, that's a big mullet.
That is a huge mullet.
Okay, that's like. What are we gonna catch for that?
Are you gonna chop it up?
Okay.
You
I'll drop it up.
gonna get him? You gonna pick him up? That's good because that's some good bait.
Ready?
Show mommy. Cool, good job.
What's he saying, Joey? Oh no, I can't flap my tail. I don't have my tail on my movie.
I can't flap my tail because I don't have my tail.
Something's hitting this rod. It's hitting it, but it's not enough to actually take it so far. Well, that's a better hit. Got him. Got something. Oh, did he come off? Oh no. Ty, I'm on something again. And this other pole's getting bit at the same time. Try not to lose this one. I got something on. It was. I don't see it moving right now. My other one, but it's not moving right now. I think I'm good. Oh, it's a ray. Big ray. All right, well, not what I wanted, but it's always fun to catch anything. Flip this bad boy over so you can see it. not get stabbed by the thing. Nice little ray for reference. My foot there, so. There's a stingray. Touch his face, yeah. Let's watch out though, because that thing right there can really hurt you. So hold on, I will grab this. Yeah, you can pet him now. So feel him one way and then feel him the other way. Brush it one way and then brush it the other way. He's kind of hard on his head. Feel his wings. Yeah.
Ew! Yes, yes. You're coming on one of your pictures.
So go like this way. It's super soft. Well, he's just super soft completely. I have a stinger so he can't get you.
Oh, he's soft.
He's super soft. Okay. You want to touch him more? He's really soft both ways. Like, just rub it.
Ew.
It's
Yeah.
really cool.
I hope we
So you
don't
gotta be
have-
careful. This is the stinger that I'm holding. Right there. I don't know if you can see it in the thing, but that can really hurt you. I had something hit this. Oh, something on there. What is this? Oh, another little ray? No, it's a, oh my gosh, it's a catfish that is tangled up like crazy in my leader.
That must have been on since like I'm probably.
That probably was on. That's why it wasn't coming in. It's because it was doing something crazy. What in the world did he do?
Poor guy.
Okay, catfish number 2. Just throw him away from where we're fishing.